The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G stands out as one of the most intriguing smartphones of 2025, and here's why. It's Infinix's first AI phone, featuring the cutting-edge one-tap AI for smarter interactions. It's also the only phone under $500 with an armor alloy metal frame, a 100x periscope camera, and both wired and wireless charging. One of the most exciting things about this phone is the unboxing experience, a rare treat in today's smartphone market. It instantly brought back that nostalgic thrill of opening a new device. Right away, you're greeted with a sleek black box. Let's set that aside for now. Inside, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G takes center stage. Let's remove the protective wrap and power it on. But here's where it gets really interesting. Infinix didn't hold back on accessories. You get a SIM ejector tool, an SVIP card, an extra screen protector, and even a MagSafe compatible case. And they didn't stop there. There's a 100-watt fast charger, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and a pair of USB-C wired earbuds. In a time when most brands are cutting back, Infinix goes the extra mile, delivering an unboxing experience that feels truly premium and complete. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G redefines smartphone durability and elegance, setting a new benchmark for phones under $500. Unlike flimsy plastic or heavy stainless steel, this phone features a true metal frame inspired by automotive engineering, combining toughness with lightweight precision. It's also available in titanium gray, enchanted purple, and the racing edition, so you can buy what you like. In terms of ports, the phone offers a dual 5G SIM card tray, a Type-C charging port, a microphone hole, and a bottom-firing speaker. The power button and volume controls are located on the sides, while the top has an IR blaster, an additional microphone hole, and a JBL-branded loudspeaker. The Infinix Note 50 series takes AI to the next level with one-tap Infinix AI, powered by DeepSeek R1 technology. This advanced AI is not just smart, but deeply intuitive, offering context-aware responses and powerful reasoning capabilities. And this time I want to say that the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G takes AI to the next level with a dedicated AI button and a powerful Infinix AI hub in the settings. Whether it's boosting productivity, enhancing creativity, or making communication seamless, AI is deeply integrated into the experience. With Folax Voice AI Assistant, a single sentence gets things done. Folax Smart Touch lets you recognize and extract text from your screen with one tap. Call Assistant handles your calls like a pro, offering real-time AI translation, automatic call summaries, and even answering calls for you. Translate Assistant enables instant translations while chatting or reading, breaking language barriers effortlessly. For social media lovers, Social Assistant ensures AI-driven call summaries, bidirectional translation, and smart messaging insights, so you never miss an important detail. Want to get creative? The AI wallpaper generator lets you design custom wallpapers with just a few prompts. For creatives, the AI eraser and AI cutout simplify editing by removing unwanted objects or isolating subjects, while features like Document Assistant, AI Notes, and Recording Summary make work and productivity smoother than ever. There are so many AI features packed into this phone that covering them all in one video is impossible. If you want a dedicated deep dive into Infinix AI, let me know in the comments. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G takes smartphone photography to the next level with a powerful triple camera setup, headlined by a 50-megapixel Sony IMX896 main sensor. This sensor captures more light with its large pixels, delivering stunning detail, reduced noise, and a wider dynamic range, perfect for both day and night shots. Portrait photography gets a major boost with natural depth, soft bokeh, and optical image stabilization, OIS, for shake-free images, even in low-light conditions. And with 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, 0.6x field of view, ensuring you never have to compromise on what fits in the frame. Meanwhile, the 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens redefines long-range photography with 3x optical zoom, 6x digital lossless zoom, and up to 100x ultimate zoom. It's the most powerful telephoto system in its class, backed by AI super resolution and OIS for crisp, detailed shots without blur, even at extreme zoom levels. The front-facing 32-megapixel camera ensures crystal-clear selfies and high-quality video calls. Speaking of video, the Note 50 Pro plus 5G delivers a cinematic experience with 4K recording at 60 FPS, offering ultra-smooth footage with both standard and ultra-steady modes. Even the front camera supports 4K at 30 FPS, making it perfect for vloggers and content creators who demand top-tier video quality. Infinix has also introduced AI RAW technology, enhancing image processing with 50% improved color accuracy, 30% noise reduction, and 40% higher resolution. Whether you're shooting in low light, capturing night portraits, or dealing with tricky backlighting, AI optimization ensures vibrant, true-to-life results. The Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G boasts a stunning 144Hz Ultra Refresh AMOLED display, delivering an ultra-smooth experience whether you're scrolling, gaming, or simply browsing. With 10-bit color depth and a 1080p resolution, it produces rich, vibrant colors with deep contrasts, making every visual pop while being more energy efficient than traditional LCDs. With an impressive 1300 nits peak brightness, the screen remains crystal clear even under direct sunlight, perfect for outdoor navigation, streaming, or social media. HDR support further enhances visuals, offering deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and a more immersive viewing experience. To ensure comfortable, flicker-free usage, the Note 50 Pro Plus 5G features 2340 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, reducing strain on your eyes, especially in low-light conditions. And it carries German Rhine low blue light certification for prolonged, comfortable viewing. When it comes to performance, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G is a powerhouse. It's equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate, an octa-core chipset clocked at 3.35 GHz, paired with Mali G615 graphics for a seamless experience. With up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, faster than LPDDR5, it ensures rapid data transfer, and with virtual RAM expansion, you can push it up to 12 GB. Storage-wise, the phone boasts 256 GB of UFS 4.0, ensuring blazing fast read and write speeds. To put its power to the test, we ran multiple benchmarks, and the results were impressive. On Antutu, it scored a solid 1.1 million, while Geekbench recorded 997 in single-core and 3,547 in multi-core performance. In the wildlife stress test, it achieved a stability score of 73.8%, proving its efficiency in handling sustained workloads and demanding tasks. When it comes to gaming, we push the Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G to its limits by playing BGMI at max settings, HDR graphics with ultra frame rate, for a full 3 hours. The result? It delivered an impressive gaming experience, handling intense sessions smoothly. After 3 hours of non-stop gameplay, the battery dropped by just 45%, which is quite efficient for such heavy usage. There was some noticeable heating, but nothing that affected performance. Overall, the phone proves to be a solid choice for gamers, offering a stable and enjoyable gaming experience. Plus, the phone supports bypass charging, allowing you to game for longer sessions without putting extra strain on the battery. The Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G also comes with some unique features that set it apart. It features active halo lighting, which not only looks stunning, but also adds a futuristic touch to the design. Additionally, it includes an SpO2 sensor that measures your heart rate and blood oxygen levels. While it takes a little time to provide results, the readings are accurate, making it a handy health tracking feature. Audio is elevated with JBL dual speakers, featuring a 5-magnet design that boosts bass by 58% for immersive sound. And with an IP64 rating, it resists dust and water, while an intelligent touch algorithm ensures smooth operation even with wet hands. The Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G runs on XOS 15.0.2 based on Android 15, with guaranteed updates up to Android 17, ensuring 2 years of major software support. Powering the device is a 5,200 mAh silicon-carbon battery supporting 100-watt wired fast charging, which delivers a full charge in just 32 minutes. Additionally, it offers 50-watt wireless mag charging and 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging, providing versatility for all charging needs. In conclusion, the Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G offers flagship features at an unbeatable price, with a stunning display, powerful performance, and cutting-edge AI. A true game-changer under $500. That's it for this review. What are your thoughts on the Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G?